Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring the differences between two popular languages, Java and Python. We will explore various aspects of these languages, including syntax, performance, application areas, and more. Both languages have their strengths and use cases. So let's dive in and help you decide which one is right fit for your projects. When it comes to syntax, Java and Python have distinct differences. Java uses a more verbose syntax, requiring developers to write more lines of code to achieve the same functionality. On the other hand, Python emphasizes code readability with its clean and concise syntax. Python's use of indentation as a structural element makes the code more visually appealing and easier to understand. Java is known for its performance and speed, making it a popular choice for applications where efficiency is crucial. With its statically typed nature and just-in-time compilation, Java programs can be highly optimized for execution. Python, being an interpreted language, may not offer the same level of performance as Java. However, Python's extensive libraries and frameworks such as NumPy and TensorFlow enable developers to leverage optimized code, narrowing the performance gap in many scenarios. Java and Python find their strengths in different application areas. Java's robustness and scalability make it preferred choice for enterprise-level applications, server-side development, and large-scale systems. Its ability to handle multi-threading and comprehensive libraries like Spring and Hibernate contribute to its popularity. On the other hand, Python's simplicity make it suitable for scripting, web development, data analysis, scientific computing, and artificial intelligence. Python's libraries like Pandas, Django, and SciPy provide extensive capabilities in these domains. Both Java and Python boast vibrant development ecosystems. Java offers a wide range of frameworks and tools for different use cases. The Spring framework, with its modules like Spring Boot and Spring MVC, simplifies Java application development. Additionally, tools like Maven and IntelliJ enhance the development experience. Python also has a rich ecosystem with libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Flask, and Django, providing comprehensive support for machine learning, web development, and more. Java's object-oriented nature and stricter syntax may present a steeper learning curve for beginners. However, Java's popularity means that there is a wealth of learning resources available, including online courses, tutorials, and documentation. Python, with its beginner-friendly syntax and simplicity, is often considered easier to learn. Its vast community actively contributes to its growth, offering support and numerous learning material. Python's popularity among data scientists and developers has led to a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Both Java and Python have significant industry adoption. Java is widely used in enterprise environment, financial system, Android app development, and more. Its long-standing presence in the industry has established its reliability and stability. Python, with its ease of use, has gained popularity across various domains, including web development, data science, and artificial intelligence. Companies like Google, Instagram, and Spotify rely on Python for their applications. Choosing between Java and Python depends on your specific requirements, project scope, and personal preferences. Java's performance, scalability, and robustness make it go-to choice for enterprise-level applications, while Python's simplicity, readability, and versatility ecosystem makes it an excellent option for scripting, web development, and data analysis. Consider the domain you are working in, the existing infrastructure, and the community support available. Both languages have thriving communities, abundant learning resources, and exciting career opportunities. Whichever language you choose, Remember that continuous learning and practice are the key to becoming a proficient developer. Thank you for watching and happy coding.